Hey everyone, Stacy here. I took my goats for a walk the other day and I noticed that there was an area where the water had washed through and revealed some stones. I was looking through the stones and I found some garnet, which is a semi-precious gem. So today we're going to go looking around to see if we can find any more garnet and any other kind of mineral. Here's a container of garnet I've collected over the years. You can see they're mostly pea-sized, and there's a couple other things in here too, like this mica and Happy's nose. By the way, this is the best salsa ever. If you ever see it, get it. Here's some good examples. You can see that they have natural facets because that's how they grow. Sometimes it's hard to distinguish between a regular rock and a mineral. For instance, these two look almost identical, but this one here is garnet, and this one here is just a tumbled piece of sandstone. One of the ways I can tell is by the weights. The garnet is more dense. Minerals are more dense than regular stone. Stone's porous, so it's got a lot of little air pockets in it. But this mineral here is more dense, so when you hold them together, you could feel this is slightly heavier. Oh, Happy! Dang it. My goats aren't helping very much. Here's some rose quartz. Oh, look at that. It's an antlion hole. Look at this piece of mica. Check this out. It's a piece of mica, I guess, with two garnet in it. That's a really cool find. Okay, check this one out. This is a pretty big one. Ooh, here's a cool one. That's a neat one. Wow, there's a lot right here. They're all so small. That's what garnet looks like when it's unpolished. Ooh, here's a cool piece. There's a real pretty piece of rose quartz. Here's another piece with a ton of garnet in it. That's probably the coolest shaped one I found so far. Don't accidentally pick up goat poop. My geologist friend said that finding garnet is a good sign for prospecting for gold and other minerals. The sun is setting right now, so we're going to come back when it's dark and see if we can find any other minerals using a UV light. In ultraviolet light, certain minerals will fluoresce or glow. The UV light that I have is 390 nanometers, which means that it should be able to find rubies and sapphires. Okay, the sun's down and it's dark enough to be able to use this UV light to find some minerals. Okay, right away we got something right here. What is this? It's a dang golf ball. But see how much that glows under the UV light? That's what the minerals will do. Okay, here's something. Wait a minute. I think I know what this is. And it's gone. Okay, I definitely saw something glowing and it moved. Last I checked, minerals don't move. I think I know what it was, but I'm not 100% sure yet. That's just a piece of garbage. Ah, I see a firefly. Hey, firefly. Okay, this is the spot we were at earlier with all the garnet, and I want to show you guys how the garnet doesn't fluoresce. That's a piece of garnet. I'm going to set it right there in front of the UV light and take this light away. You can see it's not doing anything. Here's something. I have no idea what that is. It looks like, kind of looks like mold maybe? Freaking scorpion. The scorpion. Check this thing out. I thought it was a scorpion I saw earlier, but I wasn't sure. Okay, check it out. I found another scorpion. Something's down there. Let's go see. Oh, cool. Check this out. It's like a glowworm or a... I don't know what you call it. I don't know if that's a centipede or millipede or what. Another scorpion. Look at that thing glow. All right, look at this thing. It looks like some kind of a grub. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Looks like a miniature face hugger. Okay, no minerals, but we found a bunch of cool glowing creepy crawlies. I do have a small jar of peppered dirt at my house. What that is basically a little bit of dirt that has minerals and things like that, gems, from one of those mining companies. And I hope that there's something in it that'll fluoresce and I could show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I'm back home and I've got that jar of pepper dirt I was talking about. You can see there's something there at the very top. I figured let's put down a piece of plastic to keep it from getting all over. Shut the lights off. I just saw something in there. Look at that. It's a little tiny little piece. That looks like a ruby. It's very, very small, but man, that's so bright. Check that out. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I just saw another one. There it is. Look at that. Another ruby. So we got two little ruby pieces here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We found some cool garnet today and some critters that glow under UV light. And I was able to show you 2 pieces of ruby and how they glow under a UV light. I think it was a pretty fun day. Come back next week for a new video.